Welcome to HighChem Group of companies, where our focus today will be on Hcpc, which is HighChem Processing and Contracting. We do third-party manufacturing as a division, and one of our main clients at the moment is Reckitt, for whom we do Jik and Harpic.
We have 3 different machines: the 70 ml, the 250 ml machine, and 2.25 machine. These are the machines that pack the bleach. On 70 ml, the filling rate for the machine is 83 bottles per minute.
HighChem is a conglomerate made of associated companies. First incorporated in 1958 under the name HcpC East Africa, but then by 1999 we changed the name to HighChem East Africa when it began to carry local shareholders. This business includes the pharmaceutical business, which is the human medicine and human associated hospital equipment. Veterinary business, which means the vaccines, the ectoparasites, endoparasites, and all kinds of disease control. And in that area, we simply talk about animal health.
The factory started its operation in the year 2020. Thereafter, we engaged the Directorate of Veterinary Medicine for the process of GMP compliance. We've traveled through the process, and this year, in the month of September, we were successful to be awarded with the Certificate of Compliance in the GMP practices. That is regarding our products, regarding our people, regarding our premise, and regarding our personnel.
The quality control department, basically our work is to monitor the processes during the drug cycle. The drug should not become an underdose because it will lead to resistance of that drug to the animal. And as well as when it's an overdose, it means that the product or the drug will be toxic and will result to death of the animal. So we have to ensure all parameters comply.
In our vet factory, we also have the reverse osmosis plant. This reverse osmosis plant is used to purify our water, since water is one of the raw materials used in our day-to-day production.
Alongside with that, we have also been certified for ISO, really trying to make sure that we are able to have processes that are accountable. We have processes that one can be able to follow from the beginning to the end and account for every process within that manufacturing.
This is one of our warehouses in HighChem complex. We have 3 of these. Each warehouse has 8,000 square feet and 1,200 pallet positions. In each of these warehouses, temperature mapping has been done. We have an acceptable temperature range of between 15 to 30 degrees centigrade and an acceptable humidity range of 65. This is also done on a daily basis, in the morning and in the afternoon.
Our workers are also trained on the standard operating procedure for personal hygiene, whereby the workers leave their street shoes in the street shoe rack outside the factory before accessing the factory. Once at the entrance of the factory, the workers have to log in their biometric for them to access the factory. Once in the changing area, the workers are supposed to change into the factory gowning, whereby they'll put on their overall, they'll put on their hairnet, they'll put on their factory shoes, they'll put on their mask, then they will sanitize and then proceed to the production area. This is basically to prevent cross-contamination between our products and the outside environment.
Our land here, 6 acres, is seated in the old industrial area. And the old industrial area here means the industrial area before the 90s. We also have an admin building, a cafeteria that serves approximately 150 members of staff, which gives us quite an easier way of operating. And that's what we do. In terms of shareholding, we are largely a Kenyan company, but we've invited foreign investors.